Hello! Today we'll be exploring how to use crystals for a new moon ritual. We'll explore how to harness the energy of the moon with these beautiful gifts from Earth. The moon has a profound influence on our emotions, energy, and overall well-being. New moon rituals are powerful ways to align with its energy and set intentions. Crystals, with their unique properties, can amplify these lunar energies and help us achieve our goals. So if you're ready to harness the power of the moon with these magical stones, let's dive right in. So what exactly is a new moon? A new moon occurs when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, with its illuminated side facing away from the Earth. As a result, the moon is not visible from the Earth. This phase marks the beginning of a new lunar cycle. The new moon is a time for new beginnings, setting intentions, and planting the seeds for future growth. Here are some crystals that are perfect for new moon rituals. Black tourmaline. This protective stone helps to cleanse and purify your energy, making space for new intentions. Moonstone. As the name suggests, moonstone is deeply connected to lunar energy. It enhances intuition and helps you connect with your inner self. Clear quartz, known as the master healer, clear quartz amplifies your intentions and brings clarity to your goals. Here are 6 steps on how you can perform simple new moon rituals using these crystals. Number 1, set up your space. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. Light a candle or incense to create a peaceful atmosphere. Number 2, cleanse your crystals. Use sage, Palo Santo, or a bowl of water with a pinch of sea salt to cleanse your crystals. This removes any lingering negative energy. Number 3, set your intentions. Setting your intentions means consciously deciding what you want to manifest or achieve in your life. It's all about being clear and specific about your goals, desires, and the changes you want to make. Intentions are not just wishes or vague hopes. They are clear, focused statements about what you want to bring into your reality. Setting intentions involves harnessing your thoughts, emotions, and energy to align with your goals. Hold a crystal like clear quartz or moonstone and say your intention out loud. Number 4, write your intention. Write your intentions on a piece of paper and place it under your crystal. Writing your intentions solidifies them in your mind and gives them more power. Use positive, present tense language and be specific. Clearly articulate your intention. Number 5, visualize and meditate. Close your eyes and visualize your intention as if it has already happened. Imagine every detail, where you are, what you're doing, how you feel, and who's with you. Feel the emotions. Emotions are a powerful tool in manifesting intentions. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your intention is already your reality. Release doubts and fears. Let go of any doubts, fears, or negative thoughts that may block your intention. Trust in the process and believe that you are worthy of achieving your desires. Number 6, close your ritual. Thank the universe for its support and guidance. Leave your crystals on the paper overnight to absorb the new moon energy. You can also leave them in a special place where they can continue to radiate your intentions. Leave them there until the full moon, when you'll revisit your goals and see how they've manifested. Setting intentions is a powerful practice that helps you focus your energy and align with your true desires. By being clear, specific, and emotionally connected to your goals, you can harness the power of your thoughts and actions to manifest the life you want. Remember, the most important part of any ritual is your intention. Crystals are powerful allies, but it's your energy and focus that bring your desires to life. I hope this ritual helps you connect more deeply with yourself and the universe. Share your experiences with moon rituals in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on meditation, relaxation, and finding calm in your life.